Hey everyone, this video is going to show you a little bit about the Guardian Access that you now have as a parent contact opportunity in your Google Classroom. A lot of changes have been made to Google Classroom, a lot of good changes, and this is one of them. So I just wanted to show you guys how you can get your parents involved. I know previously it was kind of tricky getting parents to access their students' work in Google Classroom, but here's your solution. So here's what you got to do. You'll pull up your Google Class that you want parents to access. You'll go to the Students tab, so up here in the middle, Students. You'll notice there's a new box here that says Guardian Email Summaries. We want to include this. We want to enable it. So you're saying, yes, I'd like to enable this feature. And I'm going to click Add Class. Now, once I've enabled it, all my students that are in my class will have this Invite Guardian link. Okay, so you have to click on that and you have to type in their email address and invite. Okay, so it's telling me I've invited them. The parent or guardian has 7 days to respond to the invite, and then it kind of goes away. That doesn't mean you can't re-invite them later, but it has an expiration date, basically. The invitation does. So keep that in mind. So just so you see what your parents will be receiving. So here's an example of an email summary. So the parents can choose whether they want weekly updates, monthly updates, things like that. So they get to choose all of that stuff. But here's what they might see. They would see anything in the category of missing work. So if anything's missing, it'll kind of show up red and it will tell them what's coming up. So here's what's due next week, so they can keep tabs on what their students will be doing for you. And then from the past week, what's been going on. So look how they're getting these updates in history, American literature, marine biology. So if a student has, 2 or 3 teachers using Google Classroom, it would be really, really great for the parents if you teachers would enable that Guardian Access, get their emails and go ahead and plug those in at some point so that parents can benefit from this kind of access. So again, when you get into a class, you go to Students, you have to enable the Guardian Email Summaries, and then you also have to invite the guardians. And I know it might seem like a lot manually inviting them. You might think of sending out a spreadsheet to your students to collect all the parent emails, and then you can copy paste them in here rather than typing them out. So that could save you a little bit of time. But there you have it. I hope you enjoy the new feature.